Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to save chart on TradingView mobile app, and now let's dive right in. Now to save a particular chart you just mapped out on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you're on this interface where you can see the chart button available for us at the bottom left corner of the screen, where just beside the watch list we can see there is the chart. Tap on it. And over here, guys, you can see the three dotted icon over here where it says the analysis of. If you tap on it, it says the analysis of over here. Tap on it, and over here, guys, you can see the save button. If you have done anything in particular with your chart and you want to save that chart, like this, for example, I have just deleted a line over here, and let's tap on the three line icon over here, and you can see the save button available for us. Tap on the save button and that chart will be saved on your TradingView account, and you will be able to see those from this button where it says the open. All your saved charts, all your saved charts on your phone or your TradingView account will be over here where it says the open button. Now guys, tap on the save button and your chart has been saved. And guys, this is how to save charts on your TradingView account or your TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.